Life immediately following the procedure was better. I didn't think I'd be completely pain-free, but literally in the hospital, once I woke up, the pain and my symptoms were totally gone. I came to Orthopedic Associates because I had a ruptured disc in my neck that I needed to have replaced. I actually had pain right through my left side of my arm, which led to numbness down to my fingertips. The impact on quality of life was huge. It's more difficult to sleep, even the day-to-day functions, and having the constant nagging pain in my shoulder, it becomes quite unbearable. My experience here at Orthopedic Associates, from the first appointment, I was able to be seen within a day or two, so scheduling was easy. The staff was fantastic. Everyone, I think they knew my symptoms and knew what I was going through, so they understood how quickly I wanted to be treated and needed to be treated. The time to see Dr. Jarkson, to find an opening in his schedule to actually have my surgery, it was probably within a week and a half. It was incredibly convenient, and everyone was very accommodating for what I needed. Post-surgery, what I've been able to do is regain my life. I have 3 young boys. I coach their sports. I play their sports with them. The entire standard of life became better.